He's got a lot of aches and pains, a lot of joint pain all over the place. Good, and blow all the way out. Oh my God. Welcome, folks. We just finished an exam on this young man, and he's got a lot of aches and pains, a lot of joint pain all over the place from some old basketball injuries, and mostly basketball injuries, right? Sports injuries.
Yeah, for sure.
Knees, shoulders, neck.
Yep.
A little bit of costochondritis, a mild case of it, and hip and back pain. So he's about to get his cherry popped. Sorry. He's about to get his first chiropractic adjustment, and just want to see what his reaction is. You never know.
Yeah.
Take a deep breath in here and blow all the way out. Oh, wow.
Damn.
You okay?
Yeah.
We got a great release there. Your hip here was pulled back.
Okay.
Got a great release there. Okay, now turn over on the other side.
Okay.
All right. And bend this leg here. Yep. Okay. Now, we took an x-ray of him, and he has facet syndrome. We're going to discuss that next time in detail.
Right.
But you've all seen some videos I've done on facet syndrome. This adjustment's going to give him some a lot of relief. So just relax here. Take a deep breath in. Good, and blow all the way out.
Oh my God.
Okay.
Oh.
Now on your stomach, my friend. Oh. All right, now it should feel like there's less pressure.
Yeah. You're right. Oh wow.
Less pressure here, your lower
Yes.
back, right?
Yes.
We're in that center. Yep.
Oh.
Now you're also going to notice, well, your legs are straight now. Before, this one was shorter by about a ½ inch. But
Okay.
now you're going to notice I'm able to bend your legs a little bit further evenly.
Yes.
Before it was like this.
Uh-huh.
So it's because of the pelvic misalignment. Now it's aligned. Both legs are bending forward evenly. But notice this, you can't bring your heel to your butt.
No.
So that means he probably sits down a lot. Do you?
Yes, I do.
Yes. So I know this because he should be able to bring his heel easily all the way to his butt, and I have to force it to get to that. So he's really tight in his quads and his hip flexors, and that's usually coming from people that sit down for work. Everybody's sitting down much more than they used to. So we'll have to work on that, okay? Stretching these muscles and strengthening your hamstrings and your glutes.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and turn over on your back. So because he gets a little bit of chest pain from time to time, we're going to adjust his mid-thoracic spine. Slide down a little bit. And sometimes you'll see chiropractors do this with the patient face down, sometimes face up. It just depends on which direction the subluxation or misalignment in the spine is. A lot of people have anterior misalignments. That's why I do it this way. If I do it with them face down, it's going to make things a little bit worse. Tuck your chin down, deep breath in. Come on up. And blow all the way out.
Oh.
That was a loud one. You all right?
Yeah.
Doesn't hurt, right?
Nah, it just.
See, folks,
better.
it doesn't hurt. Tuck your chin down, take a deep breath in, and come on up again. Yep, and blow all the way out. Okay, relax your arms.
Oh. Oh man.
You okay?
Oh, what? What was that?
That was an adjustment to your cervical spine, that's C6, C7. Okay? That nerve right there radiates down, goes down into the tricep. All right? one's not going to be as loud. Okay. And just going to be very gentle. Relax here. So this is his first adjustment. Almost sounds like he had Rice Krispies for breakfast. I mean, his spine is loud. Let's put it that way. Okay. Look at that though.
Wow.
The way that feels much better. Okay, now we're going to test your elbows just to double check. So I'm going to open the arm up. Don't let me do that. Resist me. 1, 2, 3. Resist. Any pain when I do that?
No.
Okay. I'm going to push in. Don't let me push in. 1, 2, 3. Resist. Good. 1, 2, 3. Resist. Good. Any pain? Good.
The other side?
1, 2, 3. Resist. Any pain?
No.
1, 2, 3. Resist. And 1, 2, 3. Resist. No problems there, right? Okay, so we're just checking. He's. Can I say what you do for a living?
I'm a barber, hairstylist.
Yeah, so he's a hairstylist, so he's using his arms and hands a lot. So I just wanted to check his elbows. We checked his shoulders already. Okay, good. All right, you're all set. That's your first chiropractic adjustment. Congratulations.
Thank you.
All right, roll over to your side, face the camera, and then you're gonna just push yourself up from that sideline position. Use your hands, swing your legs down at the same time, and push off your elbow in your hand, and push yourself upright. That's the right way to get up, folks. Just like that.
Okay.
All right. How was it?
That
How's
was
it feel?
amazing.
Go ahead, stand up.
That was not expected. Wow. I was not expecting that.
You might be a little bit sore today, and you might be really tired when you get home. That's normal. Okay.
Okay.
Enjoy the afternoon, and we'll see you later in the week.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Thanks for tuning in, folks.